Good day to all of you. To begin with, I would like to extend my earnest gratitude to the Life Underwriters Association and MDRT Philippines for the opportunity to participate in your virtual convention. I would also like to acknowledge Mr. Willison Yu, LUAP National President for 2020, and Ms. Katrina Luis Yap, MDRT MCC Country Chair. It is my utmost pleasure to congratulate you for the successful conduct of this year's Life Insurance Congress and MDRT Day, which for the very first time, and I hope the last time, is happening through virtual means. It is truly inspiring to know that despite the challenges we are facing in light of the current pandemic, your organization still managed to find a way to celebrate this year's convention and continue to provide valuable activities among our life insurance professionals. This only proves your unwavering commitment in raising the level of professionalism and expertise among the life insurance agents and underwriters in our country. No doubt, 2020 has been a tough year for all of us. This year, we have been faced with various challenges that came to test our resilience and strength of character. Foremost among these challenges is our ensuing battle against the COVID-19 pandemic. As a regulatory body, the Insurance Commission recognizes the fact that the insurance, pre-need, and HMO industries are not spared of the harrowing grip of the pandemic. Looking back at the success and achievements we have attained in the recent years gives us hope that the insurance and its related industries will be able to recover and bounce back on its feet. Earlier this year, we have declared 2019 as the new banner year for the insurance industry, as the total assets reach an all-time high of 1.78 trillion pesos as of the year-end 2019. This reflects a huge 13% increase as compared to the 1.57 trillion pesos of assets accounted in the same period of the preceding year. The life insurance sector in particular has dominated the industry once again, as its total assets amounted to 1.42 trillion pesos as of the year-end 2019, contributing 79.78% of the total assets of the industry. As much as we are pleased with these promising achievements, we expect that it will be a challenge for us to sustain these all-time high records given the pandemic and its adverse effects on the economy. As of this writing, the Commission has not yet released its summary of industry performance for 2020, as we are still in the middle of processing the submissions of companies for the first quarter of this year. This is due to the extensions on the deadline for the filing of financial reports in view of the restrictions in travel and business operations that pose specific challenges in the preparation of the said reports. On the same note, the Commission has taken various measures to ensure the vitality of the industry and to keep the operations going amid the health crisis we are experiencing nowadays. Indeed, the current pandemic situation has not just changed the way we live, it also pushed us to modify our transactions and the way we serve our clients and stakeholders. Online transactions and other dealings through digital platforms are now the new normal in conducting businesses across various industries. With the ongoing quarantine and social distancing measures, the sale of insurance products on a face-to-face basis would be impracticable. Thus, insurance providers need to transfer their operations into digital platforms and go online, much like the other industries. As an answer to this need, the Insurance Commission has issued Circular Letter number 2020-29, allowing the life insurance companies to sell their existing products through the use of ICT and other technologies that support remote communication. These selling initiatives can be carried out even without prior approval from the Commission, provided that the companies must register the initiatives by submitting necessary documents. Through Circular Letter number 2020-55, the Commission further extends the online selling of life insurance products until the end of this year. With regard to the application of products, the Insurance Commission employs an online uploading system to facilitate the collection of electronic copies of necessary documents. This will quicken the approval of products and other related requests. In line with this, the Commission also encourages the adoption of digital payment in transactions involving purchase of insurance, pre-need, and HMO products. A set of guidelines regarding the recognition and adoption thereof is outlined in Circular Letter number 2020-70. We believe that digital payments will help those who are still under strict quarantine protocols and could not process their transactions in person. It also allows for a fast and safe way of transacting business, as it minimizes people's exposure to the threat of the virus. With the industry's continued reliance on the use of technology, especially in this time of pandemic, there has been an increased demand for a regulatory sandbox, which will provide the controlled environment needed for the small-scale and live testing of insurtech innovations. This has prompted the Commission to issue Circular Letter number 2020-73, which provides a set of guidelines on the adoption of a regulatory sandbox framework. The Commission trusts that the adoption of regulatory sandbox would give us a better understanding of the opportunities and risks in utilizing various insurtech innovations and will further expedite the approval of relevant products. Along with these technological innovations, the Insurance Commission also recognizes the important role of our agents in keeping the industry alive. The suspension of all agents' qualifying examinations following the implementation of the community quarantine protocols is another issue we had to tackle. As a remedy to this, the Commission opted to issue temporary license to the qualifying applicants who were unable to take the examination. Such temporary license is valid until the end of this year. Individuals issued with these temporary licenses shall operate under the supervision of duly licensed agents, and the transactions they make must be properly documented. As our battle against COVID-19 continues, rest assured that the Insurance Commission will remain steadfast in its role in protecting the insurance industries and the insuring public. Then again, we are looking forward for the support and cooperation among our life insurance agents and underwriters. I encourage every one of you to commit yourself in finding solutions and provide quality services to your clients and stakeholders. I join LUAP in its sentiment that the current pandemic should not be a reason for us to halt our quest for success and pursuit of knowledge. One way for us to weather the onslaught of the pandemic is to ride the wave of changes and be skillful in adapting with the current trends. Citing the report of global law firm Mayer Brown, the COVID-19 crisis has fueled certain trends in the insurance industry. These trends include: 1. Online self-directed purchases of insurance policies through digital platforms. The expanded use of electronic delivery of documents. Increased data collection and analytics. And the adoption of paperless transactions. We can infer that the COVID-19 pandemic has been a catalyst for the accelerated digitization in the insurance industry. Through the years, we have been bombarded with seminars, forums, and conventions discussing various insurtech and fintech innovations. Now that we are facing a crisis that compelled us to rely heavily on technology, we must be able to apply what we have learned from the lessons we had in the past and put our knowledge in practice. We must be steadfast in learning more about these innovations and how we can utilize them to further improve our service to the people. I encourage you to see our current predicament as an opportunity for us to show our customers and stakeholders that we care. It is a call for insurance and financial service providers to be responsive to the needs of their clients and be prompt to assist those who are facing difficulties. We must invest in earning and keeping the trust of our clients by showing our empathy and reaching out to them. As the saying goes, we must strike while the iron is hot. As for the public, we are now becoming conscious in protecting their health and financial security. We must act fast and take advantage of this situation to encourage them to avail products that will help them secure their future and will give them peace of mind. We must do our part as insurance agents and professionals to give the public and our clients a sense of assurance and security, especially at this time of uncertainty. Lastly, I urge our life insurance agents, underwriters, and professionals to find a greater purpose in serving your clients by providing quality service that will help them secure their lives and the future of their families. Treat your profession as a noble mission that contributes in strengthening the economy and financial stability of our nation. The COVID-19 pandemic is not the end of our story, but rather it is a turning point wherein a new chapter of our lives will start. As we prepare to face the challenges and opportunities of the new normal, rest assured that the Insurance Commission will continue to serve as a guiding hand for the insurance and its related industries Together, we can make it through. Once again, thank you and congratulations to LUAP and MDRT Philippines. Have a safe and productive celebration. Thank you to all of you. Mabuhay po tayong lahat.